Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood tower full guide. Arrange chilled shellfish on a tiered platter and secure crushed ice between layers for safe service. Prepare 3 sauces, mignonette, cocktail, and lemon herb butter to clean and prepare each seafood type gently to preserve delicate textures and natural brine. Rinse shellfish under cold water, discard any open oysters that do not close, and pat dry before plating. Steam or boil crustaceans just until opaque, then cool rapidly on ice to lock in succulence. Arrange items by weight, heavier pieces lower, lighter, fragile items on top for stability and an elegant layered silhouette. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab little trees, black ice for a fresh ride and a little kitchen humor. I placed a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Sauces elevate a seafood tower and should complement rather than overpower the shellfish. Keep at least 3 options: acid-driven, spicy, and buttery to suit different preferences. Serve sauces chilled in small ramekins placed strategically around tiers for easy access. Add lemon wedges, microgreens, and edible flowers for brightness, and include small forks, picks, and napkins so guests can enjoy the tower effortlessly and hygienically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.